So it's probably 3 more in there, right? Need to hold off for a little bit. I literally shook. I was like, what is that? A grown man, I shouldn't be shaking sounds. Do you do that at the basketball games? I hope you do that at the basketball games. They shoot free throws. You need to be right there. You need to be sitting right there on the front row. It's gonna be one of those nights, I tell you. I'm glad y'all turned the lights up a little bit. I got a lot of melanin in my skin. I think brighter for me, that was good, right? One thing about the South, we got some strange expressions in the South. Like for instance, what do we say when the sun is shining and it's raining outside? The devil is beating his wife. I got a couple of questions. When did the devil get married? I've read the Bible. I've read nothing about the Miss Satan. And who would marry the devil? Who is sitting up on eHarmony? Looking at the devil's profile. To my girl, I know he got issues. But he sure is hot. And I was raised by a godly woman, and my mother loves Jesus. My mother went to high school with Jesus. And another one of my mother's favorite sayings is the devil is a liar. And he is. But she would say it about stuff that wasn't even spiritual. I came home with a D on the test one time. My mama looked at that test and was like, the devil is a liar. I was like, yes ma'am, but that test was the truth. That test was the truth.